Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, December 10th, 2018. Looking at our homework for this evening in math, the only homework that we have that is to be done for school is bring in new socks from the store. This is a Socks for Seniors fundraiser. Remember, it is a competition between each of the math classes in the 6th grade, the 7th grade, and the 8th grade. Also, remember, we talked today about tipping in restaurants, and we showed you guys how to calculate that mentally. One of the assignments we're giving you tonight is to have your parents take you out for dinner at a sit-down restaurant, and when the bill comes, you can show them how you can mentally calculate the tip. In science, both classes, we've got lesson review, page 399. Social studies, we need to study for a Mesopotamia test. There are 5 different ways that we talked in school about studying. Those include looking at our typed notes in our slideshow. We can rewrite those notes. Looking at the key term slideshow, we can use them like flashcards. We can also sit there and review the Sumer quiz and the Sumer and Babylon quiz. We can review all of the question and answers for our Mesopotamia unit bell work, and we can also review the question and answers from the Mesopotamia crossword that we completed on Friday and was due today. In language arts, you need to study your notes for Wednesday's persuasive writing test. In literature, our book club book and AR test must be completed by this Friday. As for the holiday party that we've been talking about in the past, the holiday party that was for tomorrow has been canceled. If you already paid for your ticket, you will be refunded. That's it for today. Make it a good one.